11 days after the resounding mandate in Maharashtra Assembly elections, the suspense over next Chief Minister has finally ended. With just a day to go for the oath-taking ceremony, the BJP leadership has finalized Devendra Fadnavis as its choice for the Chief Minister's post.
यानी कि सर्वसम्मति से देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी को पार्टी के नेता के रूप में घोषणा करता हूं और नेता घोषित करता हूं।
After the announcement, Fadnavis reiterated the slogan "Ek hain to safe hain" and thanked the lawmakers for the decision. He also extended gratitude to Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar. Now, at around 3 p.m. today, Mahayuti leaders are expected to submit a letter to governors stating their claim to form the government. Preparations are underway in full swing for the swearing-in ceremony at Mumbai's Azad Maidan tomorrow. And according to sources, only the Chief Minister and both the Deputy Chief Ministers will take oath, and Chief Ministers of all NDA-ruled states have been invited to the event.
ये अनप्रेसिडेंटेड, अनपैरेलल्ड इस प्रकार का मैंडेट महायुति को मिला। एकनाथ जी के नेतृत्व में शिवसेना की भी सीटें बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बढ़ी। अजीत दादा पवार के नेतृत्व में राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस की सीटें भी बहुत अच्छी बढ़ी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जो यश मिला है, ये स्ट्राइकिंग रेट ऐतिहासिक हिस्टोरिकल है। माननीय देवेंद्र जी के नेतृत्व में हम सब ने चुनाव लड़ा। माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी, माननीय अमित भाई शाह, माननीय नड्डा जी, इन्होंने हमको मार्गदर्शन दिया। आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी के विधिमंडल गठ के नेता के रूप में एक मत से, सर्वानुमत से देवेंद्र जी का चयन हम सब लोग ने मिलकर किया और आगे अभी सत्ता स्थापना करने का दावा भी करेंगे। हमारे लिए तो आज दिवाली है।
And my colleagues Shrishti, Rucha and Nilesh are now joining us on this story with more details. Shrishti, coming to you first, who all from the Mahayuti are expected to visit the Raj Bhavan to stake claim to form the government?
Well, of course, right now where we are present is in front of the Raj Bhavan of the state of Maharashtra. You can see in the visuals, Chief Minister, Caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis as well as Ajit Pawar are supposed to be here and stake claim for the government in the state of Maharashtra. But of course, if we go back to just 5 years ago, what exactly happened, the infamous swearing-in ceremony of Ajit Pawar, what not this Raj Bhavan has seen, that ceremony was taken place between Ajit Pawar and Devendra Fadnavis. After that, there was a massive breakthrough. Ajit Pawar went back to his uncle. The entire Mahavikas Aghadi government was formed and Uddhav Thackeray became the chief minister. But what exactly happened after that is that his party also broke and the entire new government was formed in the leadership of Devendra Fadnavis as well as Eknath Shinde. And then later after that, Ajit Pawar joined him. Now the Mahayuti government is there in the state of Maharashtra. The era of Mahayuti 2.0 is going to start from tomorrow, as Devendra Fadnavis will be swearing tomorrow as the chief minister of Maharashtra. But of course, what we can understand is that there are certain things which makes Eknath Shinde unhappy. Now, what exactly those things are? Eknath Shinde is unhappy with the demands which he has made towards the top leadership of BJP. What exactly he demanded is that the home ministry. Now, BJP is unlikely to give the home ministry to Eknath Shinde. Secondly, he demanded the speaker position. What we have witnessed in last 2 years is that the trust deficit thing is very important in the political arena of Maharashtra, and that's why he wants the speaker position for the state for his party, and that thing is also not accepted by the BJP. So that's why there are certain things on which Eknath Shinde is unhappy. But today, Devendra Fadnavis is now visiting Eknath Shinde, and likely Ajit Pawar will also be present over there at the official bungalow of Chief Minister, that is Varsha. There will be certain discussions, and after that, all three top Mahayuti leaders will be here at Raj Bhavan. They will stake claim for the government in the state of Maharashtra. And tomorrow, importantly, 2 deputies as well as 1 chief minister will take oath. And for other ministers, it will depend on the time of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But we have to see if Eknath Shinde accepts the deputy chief minister post, because it's still not yet clear that he will accept it or not, because his demands are very much clear. And will he put forth some other demands? That also remains to be seen. Importantly, what we have seen is that Eknath Shinde's party is new in the state of Maharashtra. He has, parted his ways from Uddhav Thackeray, and that's why he wants to keep his party together in the state of Maharashtra, and that's why all his leaders are saying that he should be in administrative position so that there can be impact while working for the party as well as for the people. And that entire thing only depends on the fact that if he stays in the administration. So we have to see what pans out. But of course, all three Mahayuti leaders will be here around 3 o'clock, and they will stake claim for the government in the state of Maharashtra.
Right, Srishti, please stay with us. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates. As of now, we also have Rucha and Nilesh. Rucha, coming to you now. Devendra Fadnavis was the front runner to become the chief minister since the very first day. Then why did it take 11 days for the BJP to make this formal announcement?
Well, Anjali, today Devendra Fadnavis's name was declared as the group leader of Bharatiya Janata Party, and Bharatiya Janata Party is celebrating they are saying they are celebrating Diwali all over the state in Mumbai. But on the other hand, at Varsha Bungalow, we are seeing a bit of a silence. It's because of, it is said that Shinde faction, Eknath Shinde himself, is a little upset about the portfolio that are not being given by BJP and its high command. It's been 11 days since the Maharashtra Assembly elections results were declared, but there's so much delay in formation of government, and the main reason behind this is the portfolio distribution. Even yesterday we saw major political drama happening in Mumbai as well as Thane, as Eknath Shinde, caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, was not well. He visited hospital, he got some tests done. After that he reached to Varsha Bungalow, where late night Devendra Fadnavis had come to, and it was said that the BJP leaders only came to check on his health, but it seemed like they came to persuade him, to convince him in some way, because Eknath Shinde and the entire Shiv Sena has been demanding some plum portfolios like Home Ministry, Urban Development, as well as the cabinet ministries that they demanded. But on the other hand, Ajit Pawar's NCP is also interested in those portfolios. Right now what we are coming to know is at 2 p.m. a special meeting was called at Varsha Bungalow, where Mahayuti leaders were supposed to reach. As of now, only Eknath Shinde is at Varsha Bungalow, his residence. Ajit Pawar is coming from Delhi. He's on his way. For past 2 days, he was in Delhi trying to visit Amit Shah, but he could not meet him, and he's now returning back. As of now, what we are coming to know is that Mahayuti meeting will be an important factor before the formation of government. At 3 p.m., the three main Mahayuti leaders will be going to Raj Bhavan and will be doing the further procedure for formation of government. But before that, the meeting that is to be held at at Varsha Bungalow of.
All right, Rucha, thank you for those details. My colleague Nilesh is also with us. Nilesh, so the suspense of a chief minister has ended. Devendra Fadnavis will be the chief minister of Maharashtra. But when can we expect the decision on the portfolio allocation?
Well, yes, after witnessing all the high voltage political drama and a wait of 11 days, finally the picture is clear of who will be the chief minister, the next chief minister of Maharashtra. It is Devendra Fadnavis, which has been announced today afternoon. However, the suspense over portfolio distribution still remains one of the key points of the hurdle currently seeing between the Mahayuti alliance partner. However, when we speak to all of the senior leaders from all three partners or the parties, what we are getting to know is that the high command will be deciding when the portfolio distribution will be taking place. We also also spoke to certain senior leaders from the BJP just moments back, and we have been briefed that there is no issue between Mahayuti alliance partner when it comes to the portfolio distribution. We have been speaking about how the Shinde faction have been demanding of some senior and very important positions in the portfolio, that includes of the Home Ministry and the position of the Speaker. Now we spoke to the current Speaker of Assembly, that is Rahul Narvekar, who goes on stating that all is well in Mahayuti and he has no information if Eknath Shinde is demanding, and if by any chance he is demanding or raising any demand for the Speaker position, he is very happy and willingly ready to give that position, because it is the citizens of Maharashtra that they are working together for, and this is the mandate that they have got by the citizens of Maharashtra, and they will be respecting that mandate. So while speaking onto camera, everything seems to be well, but we have been noticing that how Ajit Pawar have been campaigning into Delhi to meet the top brass of the BJP, and anytime he will be reaching out to Mumbai, and later on all the three leaders will reach out to the Raj Bhavan to stake their claim to form the government. So yes, everything is not very much fine when it comes to the portfolio distribution, because not just this time, but earlier on, months back also, we saw how various portfolios were kept vacant because no decision was taking place between the Shinde faction and the BJP. We happen to be witnessing how Sanjay Sirsat and other leaders have been putting out their anger that how they have been working tirelessly, but no portfolio distribution have been given out to them. They have not been respected very well.
All right.
So will it continue in the Mahayuti Alliance 2.0 is what we have to keep an eye for.
Right. All right, Nilesh, Srushti and Rucha, thank you so much for getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on the story. As of now,